Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the National Guard products 131N Replacement Neoprene only. This is a piece of sponge type neoprene. This is used in the 131 series, and it's the replacement only for that gasketing. And this video is to just give you an idea of what it is. It's priced and sold per foot. This client happened to order a 4-foot length of the material. Dimensional properties, just for the sake of having it. Overall width, 0.643 wide. Overall thickness, obviously without attempting to compress, 0.265 thickness. Okay, it's priced again and sold per foot, depending on what sort of length that you would require. You're just going to order it that way. Let's say you were doing 5 3070 doors. You're going to need about 85 feet. You could order the 12-inch length and indicate in the comment field, ship this as a continuous length of 85 feet or 87 feet or whatever the case might be, is what you would need. Very light, very small. Now what's nice about being able to purchase the replacement material only, naturally, is the fact that you can replace only the material. You only have to replace this material. There's not a whole heck of a lot of substantial cost in replacing the insert only. And what's nice about that is to buy the entire aluminum extrusion with the insert. The problem with that is not only the cost, the fact that the holes that are drilled are certainly not going to match. Let's say that they match center to center, but let's imagine that they're going to not match from the end to the first hole. That's going to cause you to drill a lot of additional holes. So keep in mind, you can buy only this material. It's acoustically rated from National Guard. Below this video is a link to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the National Guard products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog, which is going to show you everything National Guard product related when it comes to not only weather stripping, but they have a comprehensive offering of lights and louvers, steel vision frames, steel louvers, non-rated, rated. They also get into metal astragals, and they get into floodgates as well, as our weather patterns seem to change a little bit faster, I think, than we all want to realize. The potential for extreme weather events happen, and they literally, National Guard manufactures plates of aluminum that will fit down into channels that you can slide in front of your window or your door to help mitigate a deluge of water coming into a space. So that catalog will get you into it. National Guard is forever revamping and ever improving their offering. And if you are involved in the commercial door industry at all, whether you're an installer, a subcontractor, a general contractor, an architect, a designer, a specifier, a detailer, the name National Guard Products is probably familiar to you. If you have any questions on the 131N replacement only for their 131 series gasketing or any other National Guard product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.